So friends, let's make these delicious besan ladus today. Very easy and simple recipe. So in a pan I've taken 1 cup or 1 wati of clarified butter or ghee. Let the ghee melt and heat up. Next I'm going to add 4 watis of this besan laddu. So if you're using a particular measure, like I'm using the wati, if I have 1 wati of ghee, I'm going to use 4 watis of besan. So similarly, it's like 1:4. Now I'm using this special besan laddu flour that you get, but you can also use regular chickpea flour. Now one tip I'd like to give you here is just run this flour once or twice through a sieve, because sometimes the chickpea flour tends to form clumps or balls. So when you run it through a sieve, you get this very nice mixture. Now we're going to fry this in the toop or the ghee for a really long time, continuously stirring. That's very important for this recipe. And do keep scraping the side of your spoon because it does get stuck initially. And you will see that as you keep stirring, the consistency will keep on changing. Right now it's still very solid. After some time you will see it starts becoming into this kind of a liquidy texture. So keep your heat on very low and just keep on stirring. You will slowly start getting the lovely aroma of this flour, chickpea flour or besan. And as you go along, you will see that the color also changes from a very pale yellow to a little bit of a lightish brown, and then eventually a much darker yellowish brown color. That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to stir for at least 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. That way the shelf life of these ladus or laddus remains very long. And the taste is also really very delicious. So you can see now it has become into like a semi-liquid consistency. And after some time you will see that again it forms a thicker consistency. It keeps thickening up as it cooks in the clarified butter or the ghee. Just ensure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. So use a good pan. You can even use a non-stick pan. And keep scraping the sides, keep stirring vigorously. Scrape down the sides as well. And now you can see again it has all come together after stirring for 15-20 minutes, and again has come to what it was looking like at the first stage. So now it's all ready. You can come to know because of the lovely aroma, and the color also has changed. But continuously stir for another at least 5 minutes. The whole mixture has to come together and leave the sides of the pan very easily. It should not stick to the sides of the pan. It becomes very smooth. And it has this kind of a glossy effect as well because of the continuous frying it in the ghee or the toop. So now you can see that it starts leaving the sides of the pan very easily. And it all comes together like this. So we are almost done. So the entire process took me about 30 minutes from the start when I added the flour in the ghee. And now we're going to let this mixture cool completely for 1 hour. And once it is cool completely, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it in well. Now the mixture has to cool completely for 1 hour. Then we're going to add the cardamom or elaichi powder, and we're going to also add 1 wati of icing sugar or powdered sugar. So I've just taken 1 wati of sugar and run it through my mixer to a very fine powder, and I've sieved it as well. But keep adding the sugar a little at a time. If you want to make it a little more sweeter, you can add like 1 vati plus 1/4 vati. But I think 1 vati is the perfect sweetness. So now the mixture has cooled completely, so it's easy to handle. So just keep adding the sugar a little at a time. And keep kneading this dough so that the sugar goes in to the dough really nicely. So now I've added all the sugar and I'm going to nicely knead this for 2 to 3 minutes. And now just form ladus or laddus, and you can decorate them with almonds, cashew nuts, pistas. So isn't this recipe really easy? Of course, the stirring does take time, but it's such a few ingredients and the end result is really delicious. So just roll out all the ladus in this way, or the laddus in this way. And I got I think about 25 laddus in this, making it this way. Thank you so much for watching, guys.